10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Marikina is divided into 2 districts. The city is subdivided into 16 barangays. They are: Marikina was given the title the shoe capital of the Philippines because of its notable shoe industry, being the biggest manufacturer of shoes in the Philippines, producing almost 70% of shoe production in the country. Shoemakers in the city recently finished creating the world's largest pair of shoes, and it was only recently that the Guinness World Records recognized this. In 1570, the Augustinians were the first to arrive at the valley at the spot now known as Corillo in Barangka. The Jesuits next came to arrive, and they established a mission and built a chapel in a place now called Jesus de la Peña, where the first mass was held in 1630. In 1942, the Japanese Imperial Forces occupied Marikina, and in 1945, Marikina was liberated by the combined US and Philippine Commonwealth ground troops who attacked the Japanese Imperial Army by artillery from Quezon City. Almost all the big buildings, including the church bell tower, were destroyed. In reality, the Japanese had already left town and retreated to the north. Destruction which saw over 400 civilians casualties at the end of World War II. In 1956, Marikina had emerged as a town of shoemakers again after World War II. Honed by years in shoe manufacturing, the natives had developed a work ethic that prepared them for the arrival of heavy industries, and finally named as the shoe capital of the Philippines. With the industrial plants came waves of workers who chose to stay, rapidly increasing the population. Muntinlupa City is composed of a lone congressional district and 2 legislative districts, which are further subdivided into 9 barangays. Spectrum Business District is the section of commercial lots at Philinvest Corporate City in Alabang, near Festival Mall. Now lined with high-rise offices and residential towers, the Spectrum Business District comprises the vital economic core of FCC. The New Bilibid prison, where the country's most dangerous criminals were incarcerated. Consequently, Muntinlupa or Munti became synonymous with the National Penitentiary, although it has largely shaken off this negative image to become one of the most progressive cities in the country. The City of Muntinlupa's Dinagsa Festival 2011, the Santo Niño Muntinlupa Fiesta on February 26 to 27, 2011, is held before Ash Wednesday to honor the city's patron, Santo Niño, began in 2004. The event was gathered talents, artisans, artists, street dancers, and marching bands to present the city's best festive traditions. The city of Navotas, also known as Lungsod ng Navotas, is a first class in Metro Manila, Philippines. The city occupies a narrow strip of land along the eastern shores of Manila Bay. Navotas is directly north of Manila, west of Malabon City, and south of Bando, Bulacan. Navotas is politically subdivided into 2 districts, with a total of 14 barangays. The Navotas Polytechnic College, or commonly abbreviated as NPC, which was founded in 1994, is a public college being run by the city government of Navotas. It is located on Bango Street at the corner of Apahap Street in North Bay Boulevard, south inside the Kaunlaran village. There is one festival in Navotas that many tourists surely know about. It's the Pangisdaan Festival that transpires every 16th of January as a tribute to every bountiful catch of fish in this fishing capital of the Philippines. People prepare various programs like Mardi Gras or street dance, different contests, and food presentation. This is Navotas' way of showing that their main source of income, which is fishing, is given much importance through the Pangisdaan Festival.
We met at a concert, you were wearing Converse. I'm not good at playing it cool. You said I was funny, I spent all my money, then your friend get thrown in the pool. When we said goodbye, know that I can't lie, I never thought I'd see you again. Man, was I mistaken, now my heart is thinking, it's too hard to come